Gujarat, a land of vibrant culture and captivating landscapes, holds within its heart a hidden gem, Keshod. This small town, often overlooked by travelers, is a testament to the rich heritage and natural beauty that Gujarat has to offer. As you journey through the state, Keshod stands out as a serene retreat away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. This unassuming town, nestled on the Kathiawar Peninsula, offers a glimpse into the true essence of Gujarat. The peninsula itself is a marvel, with its diverse landscapes and rich biodiversity. Keshod, in particular, is a place where nature and culture coexist harmoniously. Its natural beauty, from the sun-kissed shores of the Arabian Sea to the verdant embrace of the Gir forest, is a sight to behold. The Arabian Sea, with its golden sands and gentle waves, offers a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility. Meanwhile, the Gir forest, home to the majestic Asiatic lions, adds a touch of wilderness to the town's serene landscape. Keshod's charm lies in its tranquil atmosphere, a far cry from the bustling cities. The town's streets, lined with quaint houses and local shops, exude a sense of peace and simplicity. The rural scenes, with farmers tending to their fields and children playing in open spaces, paint a picture of a life that is both humble and fulfilling. The air is alive with the scent of mango orchards and the sound of temple bells. Keshod is renowned for its mangoes, and during the harvest season the orchards are a sight to behold, with trees laden with ripe, juicy fruits. The temples, with their melodious bells, add a spiritual dimension to the town's ambience, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to truly immerse themselves in the rhythm of local life. Whether it's sipping tea at a roadside stall, chatting with friendly locals, or simply taking a leisurely stroll through the town, Keshod offers a unique opportunity to experience life at a slower, more meaningful pace. The town's rich history is etched in its ancient temples and colonial architecture, whispering tales of bygone eras. Each structure, with its intricate designs and historical significance, tells a story of the town's past. The temples, some of which date back centuries, are a testament to the town's spiritual heritage, while the colonial buildings reflect its historical journey through different eras. From the intricate carvings of the Jain temples to the grandeur of the palaces, Keshod is a treasure trove for history enthusiasts. The Jain temples, with their detailed sculptures and serene ambience, offer a glimpse into the town's religious and cultural heritage. The palaces, on the other hand, stand as grand reminders of the town's royal past, with their majestic architecture and opulent interiors. Yet beyond its historical significance, it is the warmth and hospitality of the people that make Keshod truly special. The locals, with their genuine smiles and welcoming nature, make every visitor feel at home. Their stories, traditions, and way of life add a personal touch to the town's charm, making Keshod not just a place to visit, but a place to experience and cherish. Keshod's coastal location is not just a geographical detail, it is the very essence of the town's character. Nestled along the Arabian Sea, Keshod is a place where the land meets the water in a harmonious embrace, creating a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The town's identity is deeply intertwined with the sea, shaping its history, its economy, and the daily lives of its people. The Arabian Sea, with its vast expanse and ever-changing moods, casts a spell over Keshod. The sea's presence is felt in every corner of the town. The air, infused with the salty tang of the ocean, carries the promise of adventure and discovery. It whispers tales of distant lands and beckons explorers to set sail. The beaches of Keshod, pristine and untouched, are a haven for peace seekers and nature lovers. Here, one can find solace in the gentle lull of the waves, the soft whisper of the wind, and the warm embrace of the sun. The natural beauty of Keshod's coastline is complemented by its vibrant marine life. The coral reefs, teeming with colourful fish, are a diver's paradise, offering a glimpse into the underwater world that thrives just beneath the surface. The gentle lull of the waves, the soft whisper of the wind, and the warm embrace of the sun create an idyllic setting for relaxation and contemplation. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the beach transforms into a tranquil retreat. The sea also dictates the rhythm of life in Keshod. The fishermen, with their weathered faces and strong hands, are the lifeblood of the community. Their daily routines are a testament to the enduring bond between the people and the sea. Fishing boats, their sails billowing in the wind, return with the day's catch, their arrival a spectacle of colour and activity. The boats, painted in vibrant hues, are a symbol of the town's rich maritime heritage. The local markets come alive with the bounty of the ocean, offering a taste of the freshest seafood. The bustling market stalls, filled with the day's catch, are a feast for the senses, showcasing the abundance and diversity of marine life that the Arabian Sea bestows upon Keshod. Just a short distance from Keshod lies a realm of untamed beauty, the Gir National Park. This sanctuary is not just a park, it's a living, breathing testament to nature's grandeur and resilience. This protected sanctuary is the last bastion of the Asiatic lion, a species that once roamed vast territories across Asia. Today, these majestic creatures find refuge here, safeguarded from the brink of extinction. The Asiatic lion, with its regal mane and piercing eyes, embodies both majesty and power. Each lion here is a symbol of strength and survival, a living link to a time when they ruled the wild expanses. The Gir forest, with its dry, deciduous forests and open grasslands, provides a haven for these magnificent creatures. The landscape is a mosaic of habitats, each supporting a unique array of flora and fauna. A safari through the Gir National Park is an experience like no other. As you traverse the rugged terrain in a jeep, the anticipation of encountering wildlife keeps you on the edge of your seat. The thrill of spotting a pride of lions in their natural habitat, their roars echoing through the forest, is unforgettable. It's a moment that etches itself into your memory, a reminder of nature's raw power. But the park is not just about the lions, it is a treasure trove of biodiversity, teeming with life at every turn. It is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a plethora of other wildlife, including leopards, sloth bears, and Indian cobras. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of this vibrant ecosystem. The air is alive with the calls of exotic birds, their vibrant plumage adding a splash of color to the already stunning landscape. Bird watchers and nature enthusiasts find themselves in a paradise, with over 300 species of birds to observe and admire. The park is also interspersed with rivers and waterfalls, providing a refreshing contrast to the dry forests. These water bodies are lifelines for the wildlife, especially during the scorching summer months. The guardians of the Gir forest are not just the animals, but also the dedicated conservationists and local guides who work tirelessly to protect this natural wonder. Their efforts ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and diversity of Gir National Park. The fertile land of Keshod, nourished by the waters of the Hiran River, is renowned for its abundance of fruit, particularly mangoes. Among the many varieties that thrive in this region, the Kesar mango reigns supreme. This mango, with its golden skin and sweet aromatic flesh, is a true delicacy. During the mango season, the air is thick with the sweet aroma of ripening fruit. The markets overflow with mounds of mangoes, their vibrant colors a feast for the eyes. The Kesar mango is not just a fruit in Keshod, it is an integral part of the local culture. Families gather under the shade of mango trees, sharing stories and laughter as they savor the sweet fruit. The mango season is a time for celebration, a time to revel in the bounty of nature. Section 5, a tapestry of landscapes. Keshod's landscape is a tapestry woven with diverse threads. From the azure expanse of the Arabian Sea to the emerald embrace of the Gir forest, the town offers a breathtaking array of natural wonders. The Hiran River, its waters reflecting the sky, snakes its way through the landscape, nurturing life in its wake. The landscape is dotted with rolling hills, their slopes adorned with windmills that stand like sentinels against the sky. These windmills, harnessing the power of the wind, are a testament to the town's embrace of sustainable living. The diverse ecosystems of Keshod provide a sanctuary for a wide variety of flora and fauna. From migratory birds that grace the wetlands to the elusive creatures of the Gir forest, the town is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Keshod's history whispers through its ancient temples and historical landmarks. The Keshod Jain temple, an architectural marvel, stands as a testament to the town's rich Jain heritage. Its intricate carvings and towering spires are a sight to behold, transporting visitors to an era of exquisite craftsmanship. The Matarani temple, dedicated to the goddess Ashapura, is another significant religious site. Its walls adorned with vibrant murals depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. These temples are not just places of worship, they are cultural centers, their courtyards coming alive during festivals with music, dance and celebration. Keshod's colonial past is evident in the remnants of British architecture, a reminder of the town's historical significance. These structures, with their grand facades and intricate details, offer a glimpse into a bygone era. The people of Keshod, known for their warmth and hospitality, celebrate life with vibrant festivals and traditions. Navratri, the festival of 9 nights, is a time for joyous revelry. The streets come alive with the sounds of music and the rhythmic beat of dandiya, a traditional dance form. Holi, the festival of colors, is celebrated with unrestrained joy as people drench each other in vibrant hues, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the town as homes and streets twinkle with diyas, oil lamps that symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. These festivals are not just occasions for celebration. They are an integral part of the cultural fabric of Keshod, strengthening community bonds and passing down traditions from one generation to the next. Keshod is more than just a travel destination. It is an experience, a journey into the heart of Gujarat's cultural heritage. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to savor the simple pleasures of life. The warmth of the sun, the gentle sea breeze, the sweet aroma of mangoes, and the genuine hospitality of the people. These are the memories that will linger long after you have left Keshod. It is a place that stays with you, beckoning you to return and rediscover its hidden treasures. Keshod, with its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical significance, offers something for everyone. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, Keshod has something to offer. Keshod is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its untouched beauty, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality promise an unforgettable experience. So come lose yourself in the charm of Keshod and discover the true essence of Gujarat.